So guys, maglalaro tayo. The trees try at home, guys. Katula, binababala ko eh. Para maalam nyo. Huwag nyo ina. So, naglaradyo ko. So guys, tara. Ito na. Let's go! Let's flower see. The trees try this. The trees try this. Don't try this at home, guys. Now follow. So number 1, click this and this and this. So ito na, guys. So maalam na ang secret nito ng Roblox. Alam ko dito, guys, yung hack kasi hindi ko alam eh. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Boom, 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 boom! So guys, i-click nyo ng parang bilog. Tapos circle. Ito guys, ito. Tapos ayun ganyan na. Tapos ibubura mo na. Ayun, guys. So game over na natin